Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be telling you how to install Java and run it in Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to install a JDK. So go to this website. Don't worry, I'll post this in the description below. And download this exe file. Now this is Java 17. It might be different for you in the future, but just download the latest one. Next, you need to go to Visual Studio Code and download it. This is the link for Visual Studio Code. Don't worry, I'll put it in the description below. Now you can see in my Visual Studio Code, I've selected the folder cool. That is why you can see a cool here, but as you can see, there is nothing inside. And before we start writing some code, we need to add some extensions for Java. So go to extensions. And don't worry about all the extensions which I have here. These are all for other programming languages. But for Java, you should install extension pack for Java. So just install it. And now we can write some code. So let's start. I'm gonna make a file. Let's call it hello.java. I'm gonna write a simple hello world program. Don't worry about what this code means. I'll explain it in the next video. But let me just see if the code runs. And as you can see, hello world is produced, so the code runs. I'll explain more in detail about what this code does. And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.